big part of wanting to do this 65 C10 project was celebrating 25 years that Classic Auto's been in business.
You'll get to see the entire claims team on this truck. Some really cool backgrounds and passions for the collector car arena.
We also wanted to bring in our employees to work together. We're working together on a daily basis, and the goal is to make this beautiful resto mod not something we're just going to keep in the garage, but something we can take out to the masses.
So there you have it. That's our 65 Chevy C10 project. We're going to have American Modern employees and Classic Auto Insurance employees only work on this truck. So you need to stay tuned. Go along for the ride. You'll see all the cool stuff that we're going to do, and then we're going to try to share it every step of the way. Stay tuned.